my name is Favor. Welcome to my channel. Today we have a Stitch Fix. Okay, so let's get started. Let's first talk about the fact that I am not in my normal filming spot. I've been trying on clothes this direction in a lot of my clothing videos. I am redoing my filming area, so my normal side of the room where I film is under construction. I may be able to hop in here and there with some videos over there, but I'm going through things, I'm changing things out, so there's not a lot of space over there at the moment. Anyway, the room is quite large, but that's neither here nor there. So please subscribe if you want to see what it ends up looking like. All right, so today we have Stitch Fix. My regular stylist, Miss Madison, is out for a little while. She'll be back. And I have, let's see if I still have my same stylist from last month or last time. Yes, Catherine. So I asked Catherine for business casual. I have some things coming up that I really wanted to have some nicer business attire to wear to. And I realized I actually don't have any. I don't have a blazer. I don't have anything like that. So I thought we'd just kind of give it a try. Maybe see what was available. See if we could find anything I'm interested in. Your style delivered. This is my style card. In case you don't know about Stitch Fix, I will link another video up here in an iCard where you can go and check out all the details about Stitch Fix. But I think pretty much most of us know how it works. Okay, hi Favor, I'm so happy that you enjoyed your blue fix. I really did. This time around, I've created a capsule work wardrobe for you. Your black slacks, add your black slacks into the mix and you will have lots of outfit options. I do have a pair of black slacks, I did tell her that. You let me know that you wanted a blazer that is not too long but also not too boxy. Let me know what you think of this style from Skies Are Blue. It features a soft fabrication that will easily go from summer to fall. I noticed that some of the size mediums were too big last time, so I sized down for the Katy dress. Let me know how everything fits. If these pieces are too big, it's probably time to adjust your profile. Let me know if you need help with that. Stylishly, Catherine. She's wonderful. Yes, I am adjusting sizes. I have lost some weight. I've gone from, I was a size 8'10", now I'm in size 4'6". That's where I am now. We have a pair of shoes. I love shoes. Oh my goodness, these are so pretty. Kaylee may not know because I don't think I've specified it anywhere, but I don't like a really high heel. And this one's quite high. These shoes, oh my goodness, look. Are these not gorgeous? I love the red. I just love the red. But that heel, woohoo! That's super high. Now, I have been asking for some heels lately. Oh, these shoes are so pretty. All right, let's see who these shoes are by. This is Violet and Red Felicity heel, is size 9, and they're $89, and they are gorgeous. They are absolutely gorgeous. Oh my goodness. There's such a high heel though. I can tell you right now that high heel is not going to work for me. But I am gonna try them on. All right, here's our bundle. Look at those colors. Oh, this jacket's very soft. Look at that. Okay, all right, let's get into this. 1 second while I open all these papers. I said papers, I meant while I open the bundles. Oh, this is cute. Oh, it's little birds, a little bird pattern on it. It's a navy skirt. Is that navy or is that, I think it's navy. So let's see, this is the Gilly Willet knit skirt navy in a medium at $48. I think that is beautiful. I love that. I really love it. So a medium seems perfect. All right, I like that. I like the material. It's knit, it's a knit material. I don't think it would really wrinkle. Gilly, I hear, is a great brand. I hear lots of women enjoying Gilly. Polyester spandex, 95.5 polyester spandex. I like that. It won't wrinkle. If it does, it's easy to steam. It's not one of those that really holds. I don't know, we'll see. I like that. I like that a lot. Next is this beautiful shirt. Oh wow. Okay, now I'm not always a big fan of this ruffle in the front, but in this case, it's very professional. That's a very professional, businessy type blouse for women. I just really like that in this circumstance, and I love the red. Okay, so this is a Karl Lagerfeld Paris Sakiri ruffle detail blouse, red, medium, and $69. It's a little expensive. It's a little expensive, but I really like it. What's heavy on the front? It's kind of heavy. This actually is heavy, and it's pulling. So we're gonna have to try that on. But I do really like that. I think that's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. All right, what is this? Ooh, a dress. This is the Katy Misha faux wrap knit dress, black small, $54. I am loving wrap dresses. I realize you can't really see this dress right now. You'll see the full thing. I am loving wrap dresses. I love the pattern on this. Look at this. It's a sweet little leaf pattern. I absolutely love that. I like the sleeve length. So I have a red cardigan as well. So if I just wanted to wear this casually, I could. Oh, I think I'm really gonna like this. I really like wrap dresses, and this one is no exception. So pretty. Okay, very, very pretty. Very pretty. And last but not least, we have the blazer. This material is so soft. I wonder if it's gonna wrinkle. It's a little wrinkly here. This is Skyzer Blue, it's in a medium. This is Skyzer Blue Hannah Modal Scuba Blazer in a gray, medium, $88. Okay, yeah, see how it's kind of wrinkly here, but I don't know. Is that gonna matter? I'm not gonna really be traveling with this. I will just be wearing it and then not, I think I like the length of this. I like the cut of this. Okay, all right, now let's go try everything on. I'm really excited. I'm basically going to try it all. I'm gonna try the dress, and then I'm gonna try the red and the blue. So try and make an outfit, and I'm putting those shoes on. I'm putting those shoes on because they're gorgeous. Okay, be right back. The shirt is too big. So you can see it hangs, it's quite roomy. So definitely could go down to a small. Now I'm gonna tuck it in so we can see this cute skirt. It's very blousy. Is it supposed to be like that? I don't normally tuck in my clothes. I mean, I'll be completely honest with you. I'm gonna pull this up a little bit so it's not on my hips, it's more up on my waist. I think this skirt is gorgeous. I love it. And I actually really like the outfit, but I feel like this is too much for me. It may also be because the top is too big. I mean, it's even tucked in. I think because I'm not super long-waisted, I'm kind of short in here, the fluff is right there, and if I pull it out, I can't really get it to lay properly. It kind of does this weird thing here. So I just feel like, and then if I tuck it all the way in, I feel like that doesn't look right either. So that's it. There's the shirt in the back. I love this skirt, and I want a red shirt for it. I just don't think this is the shirt for me. Okay, so let's put the blazer on. And then we're gonna talk about these dreamy shoes, okay? I'm not gonna keep them, but I love them. I like it, but you know what? I want it in black. I think I want, well no, then it wouldn't go with this outfit. I don't know. Honestly, don't know how I feel. What do you guys think? What do you think of it? It's not too big. I feel like does it fit right? Is that good? Is that the way it's supposed to fit? I've never actually had a blazer. It's so soft. It really is quite soft. It does have fully lined. I love this pink and floral lining. I really like that. I think it looks nice, but I'm not sure how I feel about not having a choice in the sleeves. Not being able to roll them up if I'd like, or pull them all the way down. These shoes, honestly, if the heel were just a 2-inch heel, they would be staying with me. I think they are so pretty. Aren't they gorgeous? They're just so pretty. They're comfortable. I really like the single strap over the toe box. I think that is such a beautiful and sexy shoe. I think it's so pretty. But this is a little different than I normally wear. I don't normally wear the cross over the front like that. The toe box, I have shoes that are similar to that. But the cross here in the front, it's really kind of pretty. I think it is. I don't think it cuts me off too much. I don't think it's too wide of a strap, and I love the red. These shoes are actually quite comfortable. So I don't know. They're kind of clunky for me to walk in, but I think that's also because I am not used to wearing heels. Okay, this dress is mine. I love this. I have never had, like, it's adjustable here, but it's not. Like, so it just sort of sits in there. You can pull it a little more, you can let it relax. But what do you think of this dress? I hope that you like it. Please tell me you like it, because I think it's beautiful. I think it fits perfectly. I like the 3/4 sleeves because honestly, if they annoy me, I can pull them up. If it get warm, I can pull them up. I can leave them down. I can wear this with a cardigan. Let me go see if I can find my red cardigan. First, I'm gonna try it on with this. Let's try it on with this blazer. See, I love it with this blazer. This is the perfect color for this dress. I don't think I liked it with the navy. I like it with, oh my goodness. Okay, well, I'm gonna have to really think about this. I don't know, it's very expensive. $88, I believe. Okay, so here's the dress for the red cardigan. I think it works just as well with this, which is now, oh, I think it fits fine. There you go. So now I'm fine for fall. I'm great for Christmas dinner, Thanksgiving, or just casual. So here is the dress with some red sandals. So, a little more casual, a little more laid back. And then here is the dress with some black heels. This is the type of shoe I was talking about. Okay, so there we go. I'm very happy with this stitch. Okay, let's wrap it up. Okay, so this dress is staying with me. I think that's pretty obvious. Okay, so let's go over the box very quickly. I don't know about this. I'm gonna run it by my husband. I'm gonna really think about it. I love this, but I think I need one a little more versatile. This again is the Hannah Modal Scoopable Blazer, skies are blue, in the gray, medium, $88. I think it was a great pick. I think she nailed the style. The length, the cut, that's exactly what I was looking for. I'm just not crazy about the sleeves, and I'm so wondering if I just really want it in black. I only need one blazer, so maybe, I don't know. I have to think about it. This skirt, I love this skirt. This is the Gilly Willet knit skirt at $48. I am keeping this. And this top, this is the Karl Lagerfeld Paris Sakiri ruffle detail blouse in red, medium, $69. It's too big. It's too big. And I think this ruffle detail in the front is just too long. No matter, even if I had a small, it's too long for me and where it would hit for me to tuck in. And yes, I could wear this without tucking in with something else, but I want it to wear with this navy skirt. So we're gonna have to keep trying on a red top. I'm gonna have to keep trying for that. But I like that. I actually did like it, although a little busy for me here in the front. And these shoes are everything. They are everything. I love them. I absolutely love them, but I'm not going to keep them because I will not wear them with this heel. The whole box was the box is $348 with an $87 25% discount. Brings the box total to $261. Now here's the most amazing thing about this box. You guys have clicked on my link so much. With that last box, we had a $50 credit if you started Stitchfix. I don't know if that's still the case. I'm gonna leave you my link below, and I will put next to my link what the current credit is. I believe it's $25. That's still fantastic. You gave me enough to have a $200 credit, so this entire box would be $61. So for everything that was in here, it would have been, it's $261 without my credit, and thank you so much. Thank you so much. I am no longer a Stitch Fix affiliate. I am just a regular Stitch Fix customer like you, happily. So there you go. You would have your $20 styling fee. I have the Style Pass, which means I pay one fee per year. So for you, if you had your $20 styling fee, if you did not have the Style Pass, which is open, they just send an invitation. I'm not sure why, to whom or why they pick certain people. Maybe everyone gets the opportunity. It would be $241 total for everything in the box, which is fantastic. And then I think that's actually a good deal for a blazer, a dress, a beautiful top and skirt and shoes. This is a mix and match. Everything in this box goes together. I think that's fantastic. So in that case, I really appreciate that. I love that. I think Catherine did a great job. Catherine, you are knocking it out of the park. I really appreciate it. I am gonna go in and adjust my sizing. I'm gonna think about that skirt and try it on, you know, just with a regular top or something on so I can see. I'm in love with this dress. I just love it. All right, you guys go try out Stitchfix. $25 credit if you try it the first time, and I thank you in advance. And I'm not sure who clicked on my link. Now that it's switched over, I might be able to see. So look in the description box if you clicked on my link so I can put your name there and tell you thank you, okay? Just look in there because I can't do it in this video yet. You know, my normal thank you. But thank you for clicking on my link. I sincerely appreciate it. All right, you guys, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you'll give this video a thumbs up. Please click the notification bell so you're sure to be notified when I upload new content. And we will see you next time. Bye.